Welcome to Napa Ford, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with rear view camera, fully automatic headlights, heated front seats, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, parking sensors, split fold down rear seat, Sirius XM satellite radio, heated door mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, leather wrapped steering wheel, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Located in the wine country, Napa Ford is conveniently tucked away from the crowded Bay Area. If you're in Napa, then we're easy to find. If you're looking to enjoy a weekend of wine, natural beauty, and buying a new vehicle, then look no further. Napa Ford is a great destination to purchase your next car, truck, or SUV. Many of our customers find that it's worth it to drive a little further, not just to get the right car or truck, but the right buying experience. And here at Napa Ford, we've got both. Come see us today. We're located at 570 Soscol Avenue in Napa.